water body, and that is lakes. Children, first of all, let us see what is a lake. It is a very large water body which is surrounded by the land. Okay, that is known as a lake. Now let us see that how much of the fresh water on the earth is found in the lake. It is 1/5 of the world's fresh water. It is found in the lakes. Most of the lakes, they are having the water, or they receive the water from the rain or the rivers. Now let us see what is the water of the lake used for. So the water of the lake is used for drinking, domestic uses, industries, generating electricity, and for irrigation. Now children, the famous or the big lakes, they have become so large that often they are referred as sea. Now let us see which is the biggest lake in the world. The biggest lake in the world is Caspian Sea. Why it is known as a sea? Because as I already told you that when the lakes they become very large, they are often referred to as seas. So Caspian Lake, it is the biggest lake in the world, which is also known as the Caspian Sea. Let us see how much area it is occupied by the Caspian Sea. It is extended over an area of 371,000 kilometer square kilometer. 371,000 square kilometer. Now let us study about the famous lakes of the world. First of all, we are studying about lakes. Now children, we will be learning about all the lakes, all the important lakes of the world. So in every lake, we will be reading about the lake and the characteristics and importance of the lakes. Okay, so in all, we'll be learning about the characteristics and importance of all the important lakes of the world. So the first lake which we are about to read is Baikal. Okay, Lake Baikal, where it is located, it is in eastern Siberia. Okay, it is near to the Mongolian border, and it is surrounded by mountains, forests, and wild rivers. Let us see how much is the depth of the Baikal Lake. It is 1.7 kilometer deep. That makes it the deepest lake in the world. Now let us see what are the characteristics and importance of this lake. First of all, as we have already learned, it is the deepest lake in the world. Secondly, it is having the world's largest volume of fresh water. And how much is the volume? It is 23,000 cubic kilometer. Now, it is also the world's most ancient freshwater lake. Okay, how many years old it is? It is believed to be originated around 20 to 25 million years ago. Now, since it is the deepest lake of the world, it is also the home of many unique species of animals and plants. Okay. Other than this, it is having around 27 islands. Okay. And most of the islands are uninhabited. It means most of the islands in this lake, they are the islands on which no one is living. Okay, lonely islands. Then let us see how many streams and rivers pour their water into Lake Baikal. It is more than 300 streams and rivers. They empty themselves in Lake Baikal. And there is only just one outlet, okay, and that is Angara. Outlet means from where the water flows out. Now, we are reading about the next lake, which is known as what? 5 Great Lakes of the USA. Let us see which are these lakes. They are Lake Superior, Lake Huron, Lake Michigan, Lake Eyre, and Lake Ontario. That where are these lakes situated or located? It is in the US Canadian border. Now, which are the states and the province which surround these lakes? It is surrounded by the Canadian province of Ontario, and it is also surrounded by 8 US states. Let us see which are the states. So you can read out the names of the states over here. These lakes altogether, they contain around 1/5 of the world's fresh surface water, and they make the largest system of fresh water on the earth. Now let us study about the characteristics and importance of these 5 great lakes. Now children, these all the shores of these lakes, they are different from region to region. For example, on the eastern side of Lake Michigan, there are sandy beaches, whereas the shores or the bordering areas of Lake Superior and Huron are rocky, and they are often framed by cliffs of sandstone and shale. Okay.